Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another Moon Fun video. This is the second upload of the day. In my first upload I actually talked about XLM Stellar Lumens and its price. In this video what I'll actually be doing is talking about how XLM Stellar Lumens is indirectly working with PayPal and how it actually might increase the chances of it being listed on PayPal so people can buy with it. This is going to be an absolutely insane video, but before I start I just need to let you guys know I'm doing a giveaway on the channel. I'll be giving away $50 worth of XLM Stellar Lumens at 3,000 subscribers. All you need to do to enter is like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below, which is actually engaging. But other than that guys, I am going to be covering a lot more cryptocurrency soon. I just wanted to get you guys updated on everything to do with XLM Stellar first. Anyways guys, I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose your money if you listen to me. This is not investment advice, but I was doing a bit of research and I was looking through the partners that XLM Stellar Lumens actually has, and one of them is Curv, which is actually a company which provides a cloud-based wallet that gives you bulletproof protection, instant availability and total autonomy over every single digital asset that you have. So this is actually quite a good digital asset security wallet. And I went on their LinkedIn and I saw this post which was made a year ago, and they said that Curv is fully integrated with the Stellar network and clients can now create wallets, generate and sign XLM and sub token transactions with the same seamless integration as other supported Curv assets. And they were, 1 year ago planning to launch a new money market fund whose shares will be recorded on the Stellar network as well, which is absolutely insane. And similar to Bitbond's platform, they will also issue and trade Stellar based tokens on the Curv system. Okay, so essentially Curv is integrated with Stellar and is using the XLM Stellar Lumens platform to basically record shares, right? And now just a few days ago we heard the news where PayPal actually decided to buy the digital asset security startup Curv, which is actually marking its first crypto industry acquisition. And this is absolutely insane guys, because it says that PayPal said that they expect to complete the acquisition in the first half of 2021. And we all know that PayPal is trying to get into the crypto space. They have currently 4 cryptocurrencies which people can buy through PayPal, and they currently are looking into getting more into it. And also guys, PayPal said earlier this month that it was investing significant resources into its crypto unit after formally unveiling its services in October. So they are expanding it and they have acquired Curv. Now why is this so insane? Because Curv is integrated with the Stellar network and now PayPal have actually acquired Curv. PayPal and XLM Stellar Lumens are actually indirectly working together because PayPal will essentially be using the Stellar network now to actually help them get into the crypto space, which is absolutely insane. And this will actually expand its initiatives to support cryptocurrencies and digital assets. So this is potentially a sign that PayPal is about to add many more cryptocurrencies, which is, if they actually add XLM Stellar Lumens, that will absolutely make the price go crazy. And also guys, this deal, because PayPal is now working with Curv, which is actually integrated with XLM Stellar network, this actually increases the chances of PayPal listing and adding XLM because they already are indirectly working together, which is insane. And now guys, this is not happening tomorrow. They have said that this will be happening in the first half of 2021. So we might have to wait a few weeks to actually see this thing pan out, but I am very, very excited on what potentially can happen here. And guys, just to add one more thing, Curv is not something which is just a random company PayPal decided to acquire. They are actually trusted by industry leaders like eToro, Bitbond and all these companies. So it is an absolutely solid startup which PayPal has acquired. And now guys, this is some additional news. Essentially in 2016, Stellar was actually looking to partner with different global payments, and one of them was Flutterwave, where basically Stellar is being used to make cross-border payments and help make payments better in Africa. And that company has actually now got $170 million in Series C funding, which will be absolutely crucial in improving their technology, product, customer service, and expansion drive. So this is another partner of XLM Stellar Lumens, which is now getting even bigger. So I'll be keeping my eyes on this and see what happens with this. Because at the end of the day, if they actually get bigger and bigger and they are partnered with XLM Stellar network, it will actually increase the value of the Stellar network, which will be insane for the price. And now guys, we all know that NFT is the hype right now. Everyone is looking into NFT, how to buy and sell NFT. It's absolutely trending right now. And this tweet right here by Brian Goldberg, he actually quoted Litemint, who are essentially getting NFT and they're moving into the Stellar network. And if you guys look at this video right here, for minting on Ethereum you have to pay $70 and the transfer costs $20. However, on Stellar the minting only costs $2 and the transfer only takes this much. which is absolutely insane. If this actually gets the adoption it deserves, this will be absolutely game changing, because now people might be moving from Ethereum into the Stellar network because it is much cheaper, and NFT is the hype right now. I'm pretty sure that this hype will continue growing and more people will get into it, and then people slowly are going to be looking at the price of Ethereum and the gas fees, and they're going to be looking for an alternative, and Stellar is right here. Litemint is trying to get into this space and getting Stellar attention it deserves. But anyways guys, that is all the news for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll be covering many more cryptocurrencies just in a few days. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, and leave a comment down below to be entered into the giveaway. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.